Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com, wahpinas.com. And if you're planning to travel abroad in the next couple weeks, months, or whatever, here's a tip. Here's a tip for you to save on data on internet usage. I'm currently right now in Tokyo, and this is our seventh day. And one of the things, the problem when you travel abroad is the cost of international data. Like when we first got here, I used Globe, my Globe prepaid card. I loaded it up with 500 GB data allocation. I paid about 500 something pesos, almost 600. Okay, so one of the problems is the expensive rates of international internet, right? So even if you rent a prepaid pocket Wi-Fi here in Japan, according to my friend who got one, it costs 6,000 yen for 6 days. So that's roughly about 450 to 550 pesos again per day. Okay. What I did, I was able to get this Airsim card. This was given to us in one of the events that we attended before. It has the usual, packaging for the SIM, and this is what's inside. Okay. Don't look at the. I just put those SIM micro S there. So basically, it's a SIM card. Okay. So to use this, you need to be able to download the app on your phone called Airsim. It's available in the Android store. I'm not sure about the iOS because I actually don't use an iOS phone. So once you're able to download it, you need to enter the ICCID. It's located here. And the next step will be to enter the activation code 5766, which can be found here. It's going to be a different code for you. Okay, and there's a very minimal registration process. I think, if I remember correctly, you need to put in your phone number since they need to send you an SMS. Okay, so once you've been able to do that, the only thing you need to do next is open the SIM card, the app. Okay, go to the cart. Okay, so buy more. Okay, if you're like me that's in Japan, see, those are the rates for the countries it's available: Taiwan, Macau, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, United States, New Zealand, and a lot more. Okay, so if you're in Japan, press Japan. There are two major carriers that you can use here in Japan. From what I've seen is Docomo, okay, and SoftBank, okay, which I think it's the same. I know it's different. Okay, so select. Okay, there are different packages that you can use. 1 GB of LTE for $3 something for 1 day. Okay, SoftBank also has that one. It's $3.99. What I used here is the 3-day one, which is 1 gig. It's $6.99. So we're gonna choose that, for example. Okay, they're gonna ask you if you need calling services, so to be able to make outside calls, where I didn't. Okay, so you choose the effective date when it's gonna be effective, when you want it to start. Okay, then you go to the cart. Okay, as you can see there, it says $6.99, and that's you're going to be paying. If you're using this for the first time, it comes preloaded with $10. Okay, so if it runs out, like what I did, I've already used the $6.99. You can top up by credit cards or Airsim. So I topped it out via my credit card. As you can see, I have $16 left here. So today is the last day of my previous promo, so I'm gonna need to be able to register that again later. So once you do that, you get an SMS. Okay, you'll get an SMS. Wait, I'll show you the SMS. SMS is gonna tell you to input the APM. So it's auto.iijmobile.biz. It depends, I guess, on the promo you get and the country that you're in. So once you're there, what you need to do is to go to the settings of your phone. Okay, find the mobile networks. Okay, go to the advanced one. There, so advanced. there will be APN access. If you did it right, okay, the first time, sometimes there's a lot that comes up here. Don't use any of it. Just make a new one, add new, then input the APN here and just put whatever name you want there. Okay. After that, restart the phone, and once it restarted, you wait about 3 to 5 minutes for the signal to come out there. Okay, and then you just turn on your data. And 1 gig of data is more than enough for 3 days. If you're just using it for Google Maps and whatever app you're using for directions in wherever country you are. Just don't use it to watch Facebook, YouTube, or whatever. It's gonna run out pretty fast. Okay. More about Airsim. If you want to have one and you're in the Philippines, you can buy it online according to the website. If you're in other countries, just search it online. I searched it earlier, and what came up is there are places that you can buy it here in Japan. It's also available in Hong Kong and Singapore. Okay. As you can see in the website, Japan costs 140 per day. Okay, minimum. Okay, Taiwan, Korea. So this is a very good SIM that you can. And the good thing about it, it's reusable, doesn't expire. So just make sure you keep it, put it aside, so that in the next trip you can still use it. So that's the best way to save on your data when you're abroad. Make sure you just look for Airsim, and then just follow the steps that I mentioned. Thanks guys, bye!